Living in a small space doesn't mean you have to sacrifice comfort or style. These Amazon gadgets for tiny apartments are smart, space-saving, and designed to make every corner count. Transform your home this month with clever tools that do more with less. All product links are in the description below. Declutter your space in style with this large-capacity pantry storage cart. Perfect for storing fruits, snacks, and pantry essentials. It keeps everything organized and within easy reach. Use it as a countertop organizer with non-slip feet, or roll it around with its smooth, lockable wheels. Each basket is detachable and stackable, letting you customize up to 3 tiers to fit your space. Built from sturdy metal with a sleek black finish, it's durable, easy to assemble, and made to last. One piece of furniture, 3 ways to use it. This compact vanity flips open to reveal a lighted mirror with 3 color settings, perfect for makeup or skincare. Close it, and it works as a sleek nightstand with plenty of hidden storage. 3 drawers and a cushioned stool keep everything organized and comfortable. Stylish, sturdy, and space-saving. It's a smart upgrade for any bedroom. Your couch just got a serious upgrade. This clever 3-in-1 sleeper chair transforms from a cozy armchair to a relaxing recliner to a comfortable guest bed in seconds. The backrest adjusts to 3 angles so you can read, lounge, or nap just the way you like. High-density foam and breathable linen keep it soft yet supportive. Perfect for apartments, dorms, or anywhere you need big comfort in a small space. Your beauty station just got a serious upgrade. This elegant organizer keeps all your skincare, makeup, and even jewelry in one neat place. Tall bottles, tiny lipsticks, or delicate powders. Everything has its spot. A clear lid keeps dust and water away, while a sturdy handle makes it easy to move from room to room. Stylish, spacious, and oh so practical. It turns clutter into a picture-perfect display. Who knew storage could look this chic? These round Ottomans come as a set of 2, giving you both extra seating and hidden space to stash away blankets, magazines, or toys. The tufted top pops off and even flips over to work as a small coffee table. Soft faux leather makes them comfy to sit on, while the modern design fits any room. No assembly needed, just unbox and enjoy. One piece of furniture, 4 different uses. This folding Ottoman quickly transforms into a chair, lounger, sofa, or even a single bed. The adjustable backrest lets you pick the perfect angle for relaxing, reading, or napping. With a sturdy steel frame and soft linen finish, it's built for comfort and durability. Ideal for apartments, offices, or guest rooms, it's a modern space saver that adapts to your needs. Traveling with a baby doesn't have to be stressful. This lightweight crib doubles as a cozy bed and a safe playpen, so your little one always has a familiar spot. The breathable mesh sides keep the air flowing while letting you peek in anytime. A handy side zipper makes it easy for crawling in and out. Best part? It folds down in seconds and packs small for on-the-go adventures. Movie nights just got a serious upgrade. This power reclining sofa lets you kick back with adjustable headrests, leg rests, and even a zero-gravity position that melts away pressure. Built-in massage and heated seats take comfort to the next level, while the drop-down middle table gives you cup holders and charging ports right where you need them. Soft, diamond-stitched upholstery ties it all together. Breakfast just got a whole lot easier. This slim toaster slips neatly onto any countertop without hogging space. A single extra-long slot means you can toast 2 slices side by side or tackle big, crusty bread without cutting it down. 6 shade settings let you go from lightly golden to deep and crispy in seconds. The high lift lever keeps fingers safe, and the crumb tray makes cleanup effortless. Tired of digging through cabinets for that one spice? This clever organizer stores up to 24 bottles in neat pull-out drawers that drop down for easy access. Adjustable dividers let you fit both small and large containers without hassle. It comes with labels so you can find what you need instantly while cooking. No tools or setup required, just load your spices and enjoy a perfectly organized pantry. Your desk could be hiding something big. By day, it's a sleek study table with drawers for all your essentials. But when it's time to rest, the frame slides out and transforms into a full bed in seconds. The top even shifts to the side, creating an L-shaped workstation when you need more room. Perfect for small spaces where every piece of furniture has to do double duty. Tiny kitchen? No problem. This clever space saver set gives you a compact table with stools that tuck neatly underneath when not in use. The drop leaf design means you can expand the surface for meals or fold it down to save room. Built-in drawers give you a spot to stash utensils or napkins. With rolling casters, you can move it anywhere with ease, perfect for apartments or small dining areas. Your phone, your lamp, your book, everything right where you need it. This compact nightstand comes with built-in USB ports and outlets so you can charge devices without clutter. 2 fabric drawers keep your private things tucked away, while the open shelf holds your bedtime essentials. Its sturdy build stays balanced even on uneven floors. Small in size but big on function, it's the perfect bedside upgrade. Small spaces need smart storage, and this slim cabinet does the job perfectly. With 4 tiers and adjustable shelves, you can fit everything from toiletries to cleaning supplies without wasting space. The magnetic doors keep items dust-free and protected, while the clear panels let you see what's inside at a glance. Rolling wheels make it easy to move around when needed. Wake up to the smell of fresh bread without lifting a finger. This all-in-one bread maker can whip up everything from fluffy white loaves to gluten-free, sourdough, and even yogurt. Dual heaters bake evenly for a golden crust every time, while the non-stick ceramic pan makes cleanup a breeze. With 20 preset programs and a delay timer, you get bakery-quality results on your schedule. No early mornings required. Small spaces don't have to limit big ideas. This multifunctional coffee table hides 4 stools inside and transforms to fit your needs. Use it as a classic low table, lift it up for working or snacking, or extend it into a full dining setup. Smooth hydraulic lifts make height changes effortless, while built-in storage keeps clutter tucked away. It's a smart, space-saving solution that adapts to your lifestyle. Your desk doesn't always need to take up space. Sometimes it can disappear into the wall. This fold-out workstation opens into a sturdy writing desk with shelves, then folds back up into a sleek cabinet when you're done. A built-in blackboard lets you jot down reminders, lists, or quick notes. Side shelves hold books, decor, or office supplies within reach. It's compact, clever, and perfect for maximizing small rooms. It's a mirror, a jewelry box, and a storage shelf all in one clever design. This full-length cabinet swings open to reveal space for every ring, necklace, and earring you own, plus built-in LED lights and a smaller mirror for makeup. The backside has extra shelves for bags or decor, and it even locks to keep valuables safe. With a charging station inside, you can plug in your beauty tools or phone with ease. Who says a coffee table can only hold mugs and magazines? This convertible design lifts and expands into a full dining table or even a desk when you need extra workspace. Hidden compartments and drawers keep clutter out of sight, while an open shelf lets you display your favorite pieces. The sturdy lift top moves smoothly without noise and stays stable while in use. It's stylish, practical, and perfect for small living spaces. A rolling tower that keeps fruits, veggies, and pantry items within reach without cluttering your counters. This 4-tier metal storage rack comes fully assembled. Just roll it into place. The baskets rotate for easy access, detach for quick cleaning, and the carbon steel frame is strong enough to hold heavy groceries. With its sleek black finish and space-saving design, it's as stylish as it is practical, whether in the kitchen, living room, or pantry. Tight spaces don't have to go to waste. This slim rolling cart slides right into those narrow gaps in the bathroom, kitchen, or laundry room. 4 tiers give you plenty of room for bottles, spices, or cleaning supplies, while side hooks add extra storage. The wheels rotate smoothly so you can move it wherever you need. Lightweight, sturdy, and easy to set up, it's the perfect little organizer on wheels. Sometimes all you need is a little table that does it all. This C-shaped end table slides right under your couch or chair, giving you a spot for snacks, a laptop, or even a late-night coffee. The built-in charging station keeps your phone, tablet, or laptop powered without messy cords trailing across the room. Side pockets hold remotes, magazines, or anything else you want within reach. Getting ready just got way more satisfying. This press-to-open lipstick holder pops your collection up automatically with a single tap. No rummaging through drawers. 8 slots keep your lipsticks, glosses, or balms dust-free and perfectly organized. Smooth edges and a clear cover give it a sleek, elegant look for any vanity. It's functional, fun, and keeps your favorites always within easy reach. Turn any room into a guest room in seconds. This Queen Murphy bed folds neatly into a sleek cabinet, freeing up valuable floor space when you don't need it. Built-in closet organizers give you storage for clothes, books, or decor, so the space stays tidy and functional. The mattress support is designed for comfort, with flexible slats that move with your body. No more digging through the back of your cabinets. This pull-out organizer brings your pots, pans, and kitchen essentials right to you with a smooth, quiet glide. Its expandable design adjusts to fit different cabinet widths, making the most of your space. No drilling needed, just stick it in place with strong adhesive nanofilm. Heavy-duty metal keeps it sturdy, so even your heaviest cookware stays secure. Laundry day just got smarter. This 2-layer hamper keeps clothes sorted with separate baskets for different loads, so no more mixing socks with shirts. The top baskets can even be removed and hung on the wall for extra space-saving storage. Smooth rolling wheels make it easy to move from bedroom to laundry room. Durable, sturdy, and compact, it's the perfect way to keep laundry neat and out of the way. Why settle for just a sofa when you can have so much more? This sectional transforms into a sleeper in seconds, giving you an instant guest bed without the hassle. The chaise opens up to reveal hidden storage for blankets or pillows, while side pockets keep remotes and magazines close by. A built-in charging station even powers up your devices while you lounge. Tired of messy drawers swallowing up your stuff? This 3-tier expandable organizer brings order to the chaos. With adjustable dividers, you can customize each section for office supplies, kitchen tools, or beauty essentials. Its foldable, space-saving design fits neatly into drawers or sits on countertops, keeping everything visible and within reach. Smooth pull-out drawers make grabbing what you need effortless. No more digging through clutter. Drying clothes doesn't have to take over your space. This wall-mounted rack folds out when you need it and tucks flat against the wall when you don't. With sturdy aluminum rods, it holds a surprising amount of laundry without bending or wobbling. Perfect for balconies, bathrooms, or laundry rooms. It's built to handle both indoor and outdoor use. Easy to install and even easier to use. Small space drying made simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.